Right, just a quick video to show the install of a Sinosmart Android and dual Mazda system head unit install. I was a bit dubious about buying it, but to be honest, I'm quite impressed with it. It's a bigger screen. It is only made for left-hand drive cars, but I can't see there's much difference, so I ordered one, and to be honest, there isn't any difference at all. So I'll just do a quick run through of how I installed it anyway. Right, first things first is to remove the trim, which is obviously the start button with this big panel here. I mean, I have loosened them all to make it a little bit easier. So basically, you can get a plastic trim tool, so obviously you don't mark it. Right, once we've got it inside, this is what you'll have, and obviously your little screen will be here, fixed down into these points here.
See, it's all snapped in position now. As I say, it's pretty easy once you've fiddled around with it. And this part here obviously just fits over the back. It covers the wires and obviously makes that a bit more secure. So there you go, all done and dusted.